Hi guys, this is Josh Jik here, and for today's video I'm going to do the unboxing and our initial review of the A4tech web camera, which is the PK-835G. Let's go. What's up guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is we are going to do the unboxing of the A4tech camera. So I actually got this one for around $18, so that's around 900 pesos. It's quite more expensive than the usual price. It's because it's quite limited at this time. So this is actually my first time to do the unboxing of the web camera, so yeah, here it is guys. So here is the packaging guys of the A4tech camera. So here is the front part, and it has also lots of details here and also its specifications. So this is a kind of elongated style guys, so this is not the usual camera that you have, which has a stand. So I believe that this one can be directly attached to your desktop. Yes, and it also says here it has 16 megapixel still image and driver plug and play and smart clip-on mounting, so which is nice. So it has also claimed to have an anti-glare capability. So there is a sample here. So it has here regular lens, so and the anti-glare lens, so it's quite brighter guys, and it is much clearer also. I hope it can live up to its promise. And at the back guys, so it has also its specifications, so let's look at it. So okay, first it has the anti-glare coating, so which avoids reflections and generates vivid images in perfect color. So it has also superior low light performance, provides the best image quality in low light condition. That's nice, and we will know when we are going to use it guys. And it has also intelligent multi-sampling, delivers fluent video transmission with no aliasing and no lag. I'm not sure aliasing, but anyway guys, so it has no lag. And it has also 16 megapixel still image resolution, but it is kind of software interpolated guys. And it also has a built-in mic, which is good guys. So since it is really nice when we have the camera and also the mic. And lastly, it has magic effects, so customize your personal style. I am not sure what kind of magic effects that it has guys. And for like more detailed specs guys, so the frame rate, it supports 30 fps at 160 by 20 and also at 320 by 240 and also 640 by 480. So it has also image sensor, and the viewing angle, it's 54 degrees. Focus range, it's automatic focus, that's 10 centimeters to infinity. Wow. And then exposure control, it's automatic. The white balance is also automatic, and the computer interface is USB 2.0. Yes. And okay, I think we will have to open this one guys, so let's open it. Okay, so you can just get the back cover easily, and let's try to remove the board. No, let's remove the box. Yes, so let's set this aside, and it has a small box here guys, but I think there's nothing here, so let's just try to, yeah, nothing. Okay, and I just want to share to you guys the reason why I purchased the web camera. It's because my laptop has been broken and I had to sell it at a lower price, and I need to have a desktop because I need it for my class for my job, guys. Yeah, so I need to have. And then I have been thinking if which one is better. Is it the desktop or laptop? And some of my friends and my family said that it's better to have a desktop for heavy usage. I'm not so sure. I think it's just based on personal preference as well. And we have here, guys, the manual. So they have here the troubleshooting and cannot hear anything in your mic. So if you have any questions, just kindly refer to the manual, which is included in the box. Yes, and it has also this small card here. Yes, and it has also the driver that you may need, so that we might need, so you can have just follow the instructions here. And now, guys, let's try to look at the camera. Wow, it is so small, guys. It's kind of like the, how do I say, like the battery, like the double A battery that you get, but it's so nice and it's cute, and it's it's not that light but not too heavy, so it's just fine. And there is the camera here, and I'm not sure, but I think this is the kind of sensor, yeah. And the A4tech logo and the clip, I believe. So I'm not sure how to do this, but maybe we can adjust this one. Yeah, you don't have to bend it, guys. So you just have to pull like this, and you can just adjust that one and attach this one to your desktop. And at the back, guys, so we have here the A4tech branding, and also the model, which is the PK-835G. Yes, and the quality control seal, and the warranty. So it said here, warranty void if removed, so we shouldn't remove it, guys, in case it might get damaged. All right, and then because of its function, which is clip on, so there's a kind of plastic here which I think helps to hold. And then, guys, so this is the cord or the wire. So it's not that very long, but I think it's just enough to connect from your desktop to your CPU, guys. And then we have here the cord, so it looks premium, I think, guys. So it's not thin, so it means it's quite good, because it might prevent us from getting electrocuted. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, guys, so now let's have another look again. And then it has also this, this ability to move around. So yeah, just make it slow, or else you might end it broken. So you can bend it, guys, so which is nice. And I believe you can also maybe try to just bend. Yeah, you cannot really turn it to the other side so much, so be careful not to really because it might be broken. Alright, guys, so I think this is our initial impression, and I think for the price it looks nice and it looks premium as well. Alright, guys, so if you have any questions or any suggestions or any reactions about the A4tech camera, just kindly comment down below. And then if you like this video, guys, kindly click the like button and also consider subscribing. Alright, and then don't worry, guys, if you have questions, I will be trying this one for 1 week, and after that I will let you know about my opinion and what are the good thing and the bad thing about this web camera. I will be testing it out and I will let you know. Okay, so guys, again, I'll see you soon.